Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone doing very well. Maybe all of you are thinking what I'm doing here. I just like to inform you that today only I received this lovely bed from Amazon. Actually, I don't want to make my video too longer before I fix all of these things. I don't want to add these things to the video. Just to recommend you, if you like to buy the same bed for your kids, you can buy also. It's amazing because your kids will really love to sleep here or to play, and also it's so nice to arrange your room. So continue watch my video. After the video I will give you some model of this kind of car bed and the link also below of my video. So if you like to buy really this kind of bed, you can just click on the link and you can see lots of choices, and I hope you would like to buy it.